Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. Okay, let's start the question. An email from Sandeep Ganguly, Howrah, West Bengal. He is studying in class 12th. He has sent a question. What is continuity? Why at all the points the function is not continuous? Please explain with a graph. And he has sent a question. Fx is x plus 2 if x less than equal to 1, and fx is x minus 2 if x greater than 1. I will discuss about it in the later. First of all, I will explain it about the continuity. Continuity. Continuity means the smooth curve without lifting your pencil. If you can draw a curve without lifting your pencil, that will be continuous curve. Let us suppose a question. Let us understand by the question. Question is like this. Fx is 1 if x less than equal to 0 and fx is 2 if x greater than 0. Here you can understand such as a boundary 0. This is boundary of 0. In the left hand side and in the right hand side. Here the values of x less than 0 or equal to, here 0 will be included. Let us suppose I am drawing a curve x, y, x dash, y dash, OG. The value of fx is 1 if x less than equal to 0. X less than 0 or equal to 0 means here 0 is in this interval, 0 is included. This point will be 0, 1. Here y equal to fx equal to 1 and x is 0. Then the value of the function is 1. It means for all the values which are less than 0, meaning that you will move towards negative side from this. It may be 0, minus 0.1, minus 0.01, minus 0.001, any number may be. From smaller number to up to number 1, the value of the function is 1. This is called left hand limit. Left hand limit. And the values of fx is 1. In this value, in the value of fx equal to 1, 0 will include. In the second case, if fx is 2, then f is x greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it will move in the right side, in the positive side. And it will start from the values which are greater than 0. Not equal to 0. Which are greater than 0. It means it will start from here. This will be open and this will 0, 2. This value 0, 2. And it will move in the right hand side. This value may be 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, any number will be. All the real values of x which are greater than 0, the function is continuous. All the values of x which are less than 0 or equal to 0, the function is continuous. But at x equal to 0, the function will be discontinuous, because if we want to draw a curve on the plane of paper, we cannot draw the curve smoothly. There will be a break. For this, the curve will not be continuous. This is continuity and discontinuity. If I can draw the curve smoothly without lifting a pencil, the curve will be continuous. If there will be a break, if I have to lift pencil, the function will not be continuous. It means, what does it mean? The right hand limit and left hand limit both must coincide to each other. Right hand limit and left hand limit must be same, equal. Then the curve will be continuous. Here, left hand limit is 1 and this is right hand limit is 2. Both are not same. Left hand limit is 1, right hand limit is 2. Both are not same, therefore the function will not be continuous. Understood? Let us understand by another example. Let us suppose the function f(x) is 1 if x not equal to 0 and this equal to 0. This function is given. In this function, we can see by drawing a curve x dash, y dash, origin. Here, f(x) is 1 if x not equal to 0. X not equal to 0 means it will be in the left hand side. Left hand side means what? In the negative side. The value of the function is 1. Let us suppose this point is 0, 1. Here x less than 0. 0 means it will be negative side. Here 0 will not be included. 0 will not be included because it is less than, not equal to 0 means it will not be equal to 0. It will be negative side. And if this is called left hand limit. And for x equal to 0, meaning that x equal to 0 means f(x) is 2 if x equal to 0. If x is 0, means 0 will be included. Here 0 will be included. Then the value of the function is 2. Here you are seeing that the values of x which are less than 0, the values which are less than 0 means outside of 0. Outside of 0 means all the values which are less than 0. The value is of function is 1. And at x equal to 0, the value of the function is 2. It will start from, let us suppose this from 0, this is, let us suppose this point is 0 and move. There will be a break from here to here because all the values which are less than 0, this value the value is equal to 0, this there will be a break. Therefore, this function is not continuous at x equal to 0. This will be right hand limit. Right hand limit will be the function fx is 2. Here you are seeing that left hand limit is 1, right hand limit is 2. Both the limits are not equal, both the limits are not coincide to each other. Therefore, this function is not continuous at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. But this function is continuous for all the values which are less than 0. This function is continuous for all values which are greater than 0. But this function is not continuous at x equal to 0. Meaning that 0. In the left hand side, function is continuous. In the right hand side, the function is continuous. But at x equal to 0, the function is not continuous. Therefore, this function is called discontinuous function. Function should be in both the limits continuous. Therefore, both the limits should be equal to each other. Now I am going to explain the question. Question is, fx is x plus 2 if x less than equal to 1 and x minus 2 if x greater than 1. This function is this function fx is defined for all the real values of x. This function is defined, but you have to check the continuity at which point this function is not continuous. Let us suppose there are three cases. Here there are three cases. First, at x less than 1, at x greater than 1, third case x equal to 1. Let us suppose this point is 1. From here 1, less than 1 means in the left hand side, greater than 1 means right hand side. This is left hand side. Left hand side means there will be left hand limit. Here there will be right hand limit. And in middle, one you can understand as the demarcation point. It is a terminal point. You can treat as a terminal point. In the left hand side, the functions will be continuous. In the right hand side, the function will be continuous. But at x equal to 1, the function will not be continuous. Case number 1. At x greater than 1 means what? Here greater than 1. Let x equal to c. X greater than 1 means all the values which are greater than 1. For all the values which are greater than 1, we have to change. Let us suppose a particular point C. Then fc equal to x minus fx is x minus 2. Then fc equal to c minus 2. This function is continuous for all the values which are greater than 1. Now I am going to at x less than 1. X less than 1. I am going to prove the values of all the values of x which are less than 1. Less than 1, all the values which are less than 1. For a particular value, I can assume at x equal to c. Then fc equal to less than 1 means this, x plus 2 means c plus 2. This function is continuous for all the values which are less than 1. This function is continuous for all the values which are greater than 1. Now the third case is at x equal to 1. I will find left hand limit. Left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 1 minus fx. Limit x tends to 1 minus fx. Fx means x plus 2 I am keeping the value x equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. This is left hand limit. Left hand limit is 3. Now I am going to find right hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 plus fx. Limit x tends to 1 plus fx. Fx means x minus 2. I am keeping as x equal to 1, x equal to 1, then 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Here right hand limit and left hand limit both are not equal, because left hand limit is 3 and right hand limit is minus 1. Both are not equal. Therefore, this function is not continuous at x equal to 1. Meaning that this function is continuous for all the values which are less than 1. This function is continuous for all the values which are greater than 1. But at x equal to 1, this function is not continuous. You can say it. All the points which are less than 1 are friends. All the points which are greater than 1 are the friends. But x equal to 1 is its enemy. Understood?